Today, we're going to be taking a look at how you can leverage the power of AI to create your products and help you market them 20 times faster than you do today. So AI is everywhere. AI, artificial intelligence, is essentially advanced computer programming, and it can be used in a ton of different ways to improve your business, increase your efficiency, and create content even faster. So the goal of today's video is to share about the popularity of AI, the advantages of using it. We'll be taking a look at a few real-world examples. You may not believe me, but you encounter AI almost every day. And then at the very end, we'll be looking at some very specific actionable steps and tools that you can start using today to leverage the power of AI to increase your content output. So what is AI? AI, artificial intelligence, is essentially a process used to make machines think and do things in a similar way to people. Obviously, at this point in time, AI is not quite as good as a person, but you're going to be amazed at how quickly AI is able to write content that appears to be written by a human, at how easy it is to use AI to create amazing images or to help you design your products even more quickly. AI is all around us. 45% of Americans own or plan on buying an AI tool like a smart speaker such as Siri or Alexa, but that's not the only place that you'll find AI. And it's located in so many places because it can save us time, it can save us money. In fact, 54% of business executives said that using AI tools in the workplace increased their productivity. Let's look at how you can take advantage of that increased productivity in your business or while creating your products. But before we get into those actionable steps, I want to give you just a few more examples in the real world of AI, because believe me, you do come in contact with it on a regular basis. So every time that you're typing out a text and your phone recommends the next word or wants to finish the word you're typing, that is AI. Anytime that you're in Word or in your email and you use a spell check or a grammar checker, that is AI. When your phone is suggesting where your house is because it's been paying attention to where you sleep at night, that is also AI. And of course, we have things like virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, Cortana, customer service chatbots. Obviously, you navigate to a website thinking you're going to purchase something, and there's a little pop-up box in that bottom right-hand corner asking if you need some help. That is not a person, that is AI. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how helpful AI can be and the fact that it's already all around us. And so it's to our advantage to use it. So let's look at some tools that I recommend for people who want to start leveraging the efficiency of AI to take some things off of their plate and create their products even faster. So one of my favorite AI tools is called Ideas by AI, and it's really good for generating product ideas. This could be product ideas such as YouTube videos or blog post ideas, but it could actually be entire product ideas. If you check out Ideas by AI, they've got tons and tons of different ideas in lots of different categories, and they're all created entirely by AI. You'll see as I'm going through these slides, we've got the links to everything right here. AI can also create images. One great resource for this, it's actually through Google, is called Chimera Painter. You're able to use different colors to signify different parts of an animal, and then the AI will turn it into a realistic looking picture. AI can also generate content. This is really one of my favorites. You're going to be amazed just in the past few years about how far it has come. AI truly can write in a way that is almost indistinguishable from a person, and it does it essentially instantly. So definitely check out something like Writesonic. Let's check out a little demo with Writesonic.com. I'm going to go ahead and head to their AI article and blog writer section, and I'm going to choose the Sonic editor. There's lots of different types of AI programs that you can engage with here, but I want one that's going to sort of write a blog post for me. So let's say that I have a blog maybe about gardening, and I want to put together an article about how no matter where you live, you have the ability to start a garden. So you'll see here I need to write about 20 words just to give the AI an idea of the topic of the article that I'm asking it to write. So once I've got sort of an intro there and a topic, I'm going to click the Write with AI button, And I have not sped this up. This is actually how fast it writes. So now it's basically asking me, is this okay? And I can say, yep, I think that's great. And I can ask it to continue writing. Hopefully this gave you just a few ideas and a few specific tools that you could try out to start leveraging the efficiency of AI in your business and product creation. I also want to let you know that I have a fantastic product if you want to dive in a little bit more deeply, called Easy AI Printables. It's got tons and tons more tools that you can start using today, lots and lots of free tools, tips and tricks. With AI automation, you can publish your printables and low content products up to 20 times faster. And so you're really going to be amazed at using these AI tools, how it can help with automation. So definitely go and check out today. You can learn a lot more about the product by going to my website,